Revolutionary USA-made RV leveling system, real-time accurate measurements by app, easy install, lifetime warranty. Experience the pinnacle of precision with the USA-manufactured RV leveling system designed by American engineers for flawless real-time measurements. Featuring a cutting-edge 3-axis digital accelerometer, this patent-pending system eliminates the guesswork from RV leveling. With its seamless integration with your phone app, it provides accurate leveling angles and height corrections instantly. Every unit is meticulously hand-tested in the USA to ensure peak performance and reliability. Simplify your RV leveling process with our intuitive, user-friendly app. The high-power wireless device connects effortlessly to the app, displaying real-time measurements with a color-coded gauge system. This innovative design guides you through the leveling process with ease, ensuring you achieve perfect alignment every time. The app's clarity and simplicity make it an indispensable tool for both novice and experienced RVers. Our RV leveling system boasts a proprietary low-power design that uses just 2 batteries, providing over a year of continuous power. Say goodbye to cumbersome on/off switches. Our device automatically enters a low-power state when the app is closed and activates instantly when you reconnect. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with a system that operates efficiently without draining your RV's battery. Setting up your new leveling system is a breeze. The quick install design includes mounting screws and simple instructions, ensuring you can get up and running in no time. A brief calibration with the app tailors the system to your RV, and instructional videos are available to guide you through the process. Enjoy a hassle-free setup and immediate functionality right out of the box. Backed by a lifetime manufacturer warranty, this RV leveling system represents a long-term investment in convenience and accuracy. Designed and tested in the USA, it offers unmatched durability and effectiveness. With its straightforward installation, user-friendly app, and enduring quality, this system is the ultimate solution for precise RV leveling, making your travels smoother and more enjoyable.